Hey, it's Dr. Tom at Causenta, and today I'm working with a new technology. This technology is manufactured by a company called BTL. The name of the technology is Emsella. The reason why I'm so excited about this technology is because it's non-invasive, it's non-toxic, and it feels really good just to use the machine on your body. And essentially it's a magnetic field energy that gets projected into the body, and it's got FDA approval for treating female urinary incontinence. But once we got the machine here, I've been able to figure out all kinds of applications. I've used it on myself with a hip issue. I've used it on other people with prostate issues, with other labral issues, or things like interstitial cystitis, or other types of conditions where there's inflammation in the pelvis. I've even used it with cancer patients that have had cancer metastasize into the bone that say, man, this is really killing me, so let's try it. Doesn't hurt, just to see how it works. And so what I'm gonna do right now is show you real quick. The machine itself, someone would sit on it, and as they're sitting on it, we're gonna find exactly where it is that they should position their body. And so now as we hit start, you're gonna start hearing some noises. You hear a little tapping noise, and then I ask the person to position their body so they could feel it in an area called the perineal region. So basically it's between the opening of the rectum and opening of the vagina. You're trying to find that little area in between, and once the person feels a sensation there, okay? Then what I'm gonna do now is start the actual treatment process of the therapy. So it's gonna be a different sound now, and essentially that's the sound of the magnetic energy going into the body. It's gonna get pretty loud, and I ask the person, are you okay? Can I turn it up some more? All right. And I'm slowly getting to 100%. And right now it's at 100%. And then what you're gonna hear is a change in the sound, which indicates the different waveform of energy going into the body. And then essentially you just sit there and relax, and the machine does all the work for you. And most people, within 1 to 2 treatments, they can really tell a difference. To have sort of like a permanent type of result, we usually tell people do 6 treatments. After the 6th treatment, they can come in however they want. I personally use the machine on myself because I just like the way it makes my hips feel. I don't have any issues with urinary incontinence or things like that, but I do have pretty serious osteoarthritis in both hips. And by using this technology, my hips feel way better than they ever have in a long time. This is Dr. Tom signing off, once again with a brand new technology that we have at Causenta. And if you really liked what you see and you'd like to make an appointment to come in and try this technology for yourself firsthand, just look at the form below and submit the form to us, and we'll get back to you right away. Or just call us at the office. It's 480-883-7240. Thank you. So I'm asked all the time by patients, what's the difference between personalized medicine and traditional medicine? And in traditional medicine, there's a singular approach. So you have cancer A, and for cancer A, here is the standard of care treatment. And after you go through the standard of care treatment and it doesn't work, typically there's not a plan B. There's not another option. So then patients are told, hey, there's nothing else that can be done. And so then they're convinced that, hey, there's no hope and we can't do anything else. Now I want to contrast that in a personalized approach that we have at Causenta. We're going to measure all kinds of details within your body. And we're going to find lots of areas that we can actually improve your health. And then indirectly, by improving those areas, we're going to help you do a better job at fighting cancer. So where someone else would say, hey, there's nothing that could be done, we're going to say, hey, there's lots of opportunity here to improve your health and make sure that you have a better quality of life so that you're able to function and live life under your own terms and not just waste away in a bed in hospice somewhere and watch everything go by you as time passes on. So if you or a loved one has been diagnosed with cancer and you're looking to get help, I strongly encourage you to go to causenta.com and fill out the form at the bottom of the page and find out for yourself how we can help you.